sing with me. We'll learn animals A to Z. Clap your hands and shout out loud. Learning is fun, let's make it proud. A is for alligator, big and green. Snapping jaws, the sharpest you've seen. B is for bear, so strong and tall. He loves to climb and growl to all. C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring and playful with tiny feet. D is for dog, who barks woof woof. He runs and jumps on the garden roof. E is for elephant with ears so wide. He sprays cool water from side to side. F is for flamingo, pink and bright, standing on one leg all through the night. G is for gorilla, strong and loud, beating his chest to show he's proud. H is for iguana, scaly.
H is for horse who loves to run, galloping fast in the warm bright sun. I is for iguana, green and slow, climbing on rocks where warm winds blow.
J is for jellyfish, drifting by, blowing softly in the ocean sky. K is for kangaroo, hopping fast, with the baby Joey tucked in at last. L is for lion, the jungle king. He roars so loud, let's hear him sing. M is for monkey, swinging free, laughing and playing in the tall green tree. N is for narwhal, with a spiral horn, swimming the seas where ice is born. O is for octopus, with 8 arms neat. He squirts black ink to hide and retreat. P is for penguin in tuxedo black. He waddles around and slides on his back. Q is for quail, tiny and shy, quick little bird that loves to fly. R is for rat, small and fast, scurrying past as he runs right past. S is for snake, hissing, slithering quietly through the grass. D is for turtle, slow and round, carrying a shell wherever he's found. U is for unicorn, magical and bright, with a golden horn that sparkles in light. V is for vulture, circling high, watching the world from up in the sky. W is for whale, so giant and blue, singing deep songs in the ocean too. X is for X-ray fish, shiny and clear, see-through body, the bones appear.
Deer. I is for yak, with hair so long, he hums and moves that gentle song. Z is for zebra, black and white, running in stripes, what a sight. Hello, hello, come sing with me, we'll learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, learning letters is such a treat. Are you ready? Let's begin. A for apple, take a bite, yum, yum, yum. B for ball, bounce it high up and down. K for cat, pat it soft, purr, purr, purr. D for dog, wag your tail, bark, bark, bark. E for egg, crack it gently, yum, yum, yum. F for frog, jump, 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 splash, splash, splash. G for goat, nibble grass, climb, climb, climb. H for honey, drip it on bread, yum, yum, yum. I for iguana, climb up high, hold on tight. J for jellyfish, float in the sea, wiggle and glow. K for kite, fly up high, dance in the sky. L for lion, roar so loud, hear it now. M for moon, shine at night, soft and bright. N for nest, birds live here safe and warm. O for octopus, wave your arms 8 at a time. P for penguin, waddle along, slide on ice. Q for quail, hide in grass, quick and small. R for ring, round and shiny, spin around. S for sun, shine so bright, warm and yellow. T for tiger, run so fast, stripes so neat. U for umbrella, open wide, keep dry. V the V for fan, drive along, vroom, vroom, vroom. The boo for watermelon, juicy and sweet, yum, yum, yum. X for X-ray, see inside, bones so white. Y for yarn, soft and long, knit a scarf. Z for zebra, runs so fast, stripes in black and white. Wow, we've learned A to Z. Clap your hands and shout with glee. Sing it loud from start to end. Learning letters is so much fun, my friend.